Hey, good morning my friends. So I've added a filter and it's little A. So that blue filter, dark blue filter, has really made it a metallic-y gold, I reckon. It's really brought it all together a lot. So I've started to hand paint the tracks, put on a bit of black. I also painted the other tank that's going to go with it. So this is the other version by Miniart, so it's exactly the same, except it's the tank version. So the Stug was built off this chassis. So yeah, all they've done is taken out the fighting compartment and replace it with this. So I've gone with the early, so 1937 camo scheme with the dark German grey with the German dark brown, and I followed the German guidelines, so of how I've applied it. That's why there's not a lot of it, but they're both very nice tanks, basically the same, so they'll be displayed together. But yeah, I put this filter on this. Is good. This filter. AK filters are pretty good. That's blue for Panzer Grey. It works a treat. Just comes up really good. As you can see, it really, yeah, just darkens it, but it also, yeah, gives it that cold metallic feel. So I'll probably apply a filter to this one now. Get a bit of that shine down. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon.